Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Maddy. Today we are diving into a core feature of Java that you might be familiar with, the switch statement. But there is a twist. We'll be comparing the traditional switch from Java 8 with the enhanced switch expression in Java 17, where things get a bit more powerful and expressive. Let's get started. In Java 8, the switch statement is straightforward, but has its limitations. It can handle types like int, char, string, and enum, but each case needs a break statement to prevent something called fall-through, where code from one case flows through the next. Let's see an example. Here we are checking the value of the day. If it is 1 or 7, we assign weekend to day type, otherwise it's a weekday. But notice all the break statements. We need those to prevent fall-through. Without break, Java would execute all the code below the case until it finds a break or finishes the switch block. While the traditional switch statement does the job, it has its limitations. For example, it can't return the values directly, meaning we have to use a temporary variable. It also doesn't support more complex data types or pattern matching. Now let's jump into Java 17, where switch gets a huge upgrade. We still have the familiar switch statement, but now we also have switch expressions. This means the switch can now return values directly, which can make our code much cleaner. Now in this example, you see the difference. No need for break statements here. The arrow syntax makes it clear what each case returns. Plus, the switch expression can return a value, which means we can assign the results directly to a variable like daytype. In Java 17, the switch expressions also bring pattern matching, making it possible to switch one or more complex types or patterns. This feature will evolve even further in upcoming Java versions, but here is an example using a string switch with an arrow syntax. This code assigns weekend or weekday based on the day name string. It's more concise and helps avoid errors. So what are the advantages? The Java 17 switch expression is more concise, type-safe, and reduces boilerplate codes. We no longer need break statements to prevent fall-through, and the ability to return values directly from the switch is a big win for readability. To wrap up, Java 8 switch statement is simple but has its limitations, while Java 17 enhanced switch expression brings us more flexibility, conciseness, and pattern matching capabilities. As we keep evolving, these new features make our code easier to read and maintain. I would highly recommend trying out Java 17 Switch in your next project. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Code with Maddy for more tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other Java features you'd like to see. See you next time.